Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a group on True Social using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for True Social. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's wait for that to open up. And now let's go to TrueSocial.com. We can use the bookmark shortcut to take us to TrueSocial.com. Make sure that you are signed into the account. And now let's go to Groups, which is on the left-hand side navigation menu. As you can see, there's already one group available. Let's just create a new group for the purpose of this tutorial. And let's create a private group again. Let's just call this trial group. Highlight Command C to copy. Paste that into the description. Let's also add one tag called trial group. Create the group, click on done, and now right click, reload the page, and the second group should pop up on screen. Let's go into that group by clicking on the group. And now for us to delete this group, if we click on manage group, we can now delete the group. Are you sure you want to delete this group? This is a permanent action that cannot be undone. That's fine, delete. And so now the group that you had created has now been deleted. Why may you want to delete a group? Let's just say you have a couple of groups, or the group that you are going to delete is not in use, and henceforth you wish to remove that from your True Social account, and so on. So we can now go back to Profile, quit Safari. And so that's all this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.